Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's time for Lunch Bunch. It's back to school time, and I'm making a high-protein lunch today. Your kids need the protein to last them through the day because they don't get enough snack breaks. Today's lunch is going to be made with a leftover piece of meat that we had from last night's dinner. Parents, we don't always have to use packaged lunch meat. I bet you have something from a dinner you prepared for your family that's ready to go into a sandwich, and I want to encourage you to make it like that. We also have some high-protein snacks because kids have after-school activities and snack breaks, and they want something easy and quick and that's fun to eat. And this is a great thing to do for a recess. And along with that, with their sandwich, they're going to have some fresh carrots, so easy, and an apple. And I'm going to show you how to make special magic apple candy. Healthy. Last night I had a pork roast. This is my little piece that's left over. But you could use beef, chicken, anything you have. Your kids may have gotten used to the super thin sliced sandwich meat at the store. Do you know that if you give them leftover meat, this is so much less expensive by pound than those sandwich meat packages you buy? It's also so much better for them because there's nothing processed in a fresh piece of meat you made. Now, we all know this is about as thin as it comes in the package. This one's a little thicker, but I'm gonna let them chew through that. And if your child is young, it's really great to start with these kind of sandwiches so they don't say, hey, if it's not in a lunch meat package, I'm not eating it, because it's good for your kids to get used to a variety of types of lunches at school. You want to get rid of that pickiness factor early. Time for the assembly. I am using mayonnaise. I enjoy mayonnaise on my sandwich, and I think kids probably do too. Many people skip this step, but fat is great for their brains to grow. So kids need some fat in their diet. It adds flavor as well. Assembly line, 1, 2, 3. And then a little lettuce for crunch. Topper on top. And I always think a triangle is the best way to go because they aim, shoot, and fire for that bite because that bite's the best bite. And that way, if they're little mousies and they leave the crust, I'm okay. They got their good stuff. And having a supply of carrots to nibble on is so easy. You all know what these are. These already peeled carrots are a parent's friend when it comes to packing a quick lunch. And to make the magic apple candy, the trick is you gotta quickly peel that apple. This is my secret. So get the top first, next the bottom in one circle, and then up the sides. Really fast, because you don't have a lot of time in the morning. That clock's ticking. You gotta get them out the door. Comment and tell me, what's your biggest challenge of the morning with school? How many munchkins do you have? I had 3. I did a lot of this. And as I'm making the lunches, I'm always yelling, brush your teeth, hurry up, the bus is coming, or carpool. And check out this tip for quickly slicing an apple. There's the core. I go down each side, so it's 4 sides, just like that. And the core stays in there. And then I line up those apple pieces, and you cut them up like a French fry, all the way down the line. Isn't that great? And here comes the magic. You know those apples are going to turn brown. So what if we add a little bit of brown sugar? Then they'll never know, because kids will not eat things that are not appetizing. They have problems with that. They're not going to eat a brown apple. So you go, you got magic apple candy, because this color of the brown sugar is kind of like a fake out. Only a little bit sticks to the apple. It makes it a little extra sweeter, and they feel special. Maybe they'll share that with friends. But that's my trick. And mommy is a little mousy, and then I eat the rest of the core. This is a little nice treat. I don't want to waste it. Bag 'em up, Dano. Voila. Zip. And now comes the best treat of the lunch. I'm adding a Smart for Life cookie. This is the banana chocolate chip cookie. And Monkey will see and Monkey will do. It's a gluten-free banana chocolate chip cookie that's designed with a doctor's protein blend. And in that, there's milk, egg, and organic whey, and that gives them plenty of energy. In case your little monkey wants to swing from the tree, which you probably will do in the play yard. As a mom, I never felt good about putting packaged food before in my kids' lunches. But as healthy food has emerged in the packaged food industry, I was able to find a super great cookie on the internet. I contacted the company and I said, I want to try your stuff because I do a lot of lunch bunches. And so they sent me all these things. And in today's lunch, I'm including the banana chip cookie and the protein bar. That banana chocolate chip cookie has got 5 grams of protein, 5 grams of sugar, 2 grams of fiber, 100 calories, and it's gluten-free. And gluten-free is good because you might want to cut down the gluten. I made a sandwich today, but we all know that could have been made with just a lettuce wrap or a tortilla that's corn. The banana chocolate chip cookie with only 100 calories is so high in protein you could also use it as a meal replacement, which is nice for me in the morning with my coffee as a breakfast alternative. And that texture is great. It feels like a banana bread with chocolate chip in a cookie. I buy the protein bars in an assortment in a whole box, and I get 3 different kinds. The one I packed here today is a caramel almond protein bar. It's hard to believe this is only 180 calories with 19 grams of protein. And it doesn't taste like those cardboard tasting protein bars. Check out this peanut butter choco. Look at the inside. Oh, yum. And there's the caramel almond and the choco crisp. I love Rice Krispie treats, and that's what they taste like, covered with chocolate. It's great to stock up on these so you have them to throw in the backpacks and put in the lunches every day. And Smart for Life is running a special on the banana chocolate chip cookie, so you try them because they want to get to know you and they want you to know them. And when you click that link, you're going to see a coupon code. It's Rebecca10, so you can get 10% off your purchase. What a deal! Well, little Landon is going to get this lunch, and since I've opened up this caramel almond protein bar, I'm going to have a bite right now. I love the crunch. It's delicious. And Mommy's breakfast, the banana chocolate chip cookie. It's so banana-y. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna go swing on a tree. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great things, like for a munchkins with Lunch Bunch. Excuse me, it's snack break. And if you like this Lunch Bunch video, I've got a whole bunch on my channel. Here's a couple more you might like.